Hi everyone, this is Diwas. Welcome to my channel again, Learn with Diwas. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the elimination method. Again, in my last video we have discussed about the elimination method, and the question was I have written over there that was a little bit tough, but actually we need to follow the process only. That is not tough. Again, this is question number 5. I have taken previously in my last videos, previous days we have discussed very simple questions. Now this question actually the formation is same. This is, you can call this one equation 1 and this is equation 2 we can call, because 3x minus 2 by y equals 5. Again x plus 4 by y equals to 4 is equation 2. The formation is same. Now we need to change the number. Okay, if we are changing this number, we need to change with the numbers only. Okay, I am changing this one. Now what happens? Plus 3, we can write 3 here, and plus 1 goes up. Then 1 into 3x only, then minus 1 2 is 2 by y, then 1 5 is 5. Again 3 into x, 3x, then plus only 3 4 is 12 by y equals to 3 4 is again 12. Now see again, I have changed this number. 1 goes up, 3 goes down. 1 is 3x, 1 2 is 2y, 1 5 is 5. Again 3 into x, 3x, then plus 3 4 is 12 by y, then 3 4 is 12. Again the sign will be changed. Plus becomes minus, and again the plus becomes minus. Again the plus becomes minus. This will be cut, and again minus 2 by y, and plus becomes minus, minus 12 by y. Again 12 minus 5 will be 7, and the sign of the bigger number is minus. Take the LCM y and y only, 1 only, 2 1s are 2, minus 2, minus only, divide this y by 1 only, 12 1s are 12, minus 7. Okay, so minus 2 and minus 12 will be minus 14 by y equals to minus 7. Minus you can cut. Okay, then 7 1 7, 7 2 is 14. That means 2 by y equals to 1. Y 1 is y, then 2 1 is 2. The value of y is 2 only. The value of y is 2 only. Again from equation 1. So see, 3x minus 2 by y equals to 5. Then 3x minus 2, the value of y is 2 only, 5. 2 we can cut here. Then 3x minus 1 here only, 1, then 5. Therefore 3x equals to 5 minus 1 becomes plus 1. Then 3x equals to 5 plus 1, 6. Therefore x equals to 6. 3 goes down. Then 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Therefore x equals to 2. Okay, simple. Okay, 3x, the value of y is 2. 2 we can cancel, 1 only. Then 1 goes here, plus 1. Then 3 5 plus 1 6. Then 3 goes down, 3 1 3 2 is 6. The value of x is 2. Therefore x equals to y equals to 2. This is the final answer. Okay, this much for the today's video. Is very simple. I hope that you all understood my process, whatever we have done here. Okay, now okay, if there is any questions, there is any queries, you can also ask me, and you can also say to my comment box, so that we can do that questions also. And I hope that you all watch my videos thoroughly. If you have any queries, you can write also, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Please watch thoroughly, so that you will get more knowledge. Thank you for watching.